Hello everyone, happy morning and greetings to you all. Let's get back to our today's vocabulary specific word from our CBSE lessons prescribed for class 10. The today's word for discussion is microscope from the lesson 6th unit, the making of a scientist. So yesterday we discussed the word scientist. Now we will discuss the instrument microscope. So what does the word mean? It is an instrument used to seize objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. In Telugu, simply called Sukshma Darshini. It's a noun having the pronunciation microscope. Microscope. Listen to the pronunciation again. Microscope. Now let us look at the example sentences extracted here. Scientists use a microscope to study cells. In terms of Telugu language, శాస్త్రవేత్తలు కణాలని అధ్యయనం చేయడానికి మైక్రోస్కోప్ సూక్ష్మదర్శినిని ఉపయోగిస్తారు. So dear viewers, like this every day there will be a word and with its explanation with the help of the image. Now let us see the another example sentence here. The microscope revealed intricate details of the insect's anatomy. సూక్ష్మదర్శిని కీటక శరీరం నిర్మాణంలోని సూక్ష్మ వివరాలను వెల్లడించింది. సో వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ది మైన్యూటెస్ట్, ది టైనియెస్ట్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆర్ పార్టికల్స్ ఆర్ parts of or components of something with the help of this microscope. Now let us see the synonyms of the word microscope. Magnifying glass, in general, magnifier. Its opposite words are telescope. Dear viewers, we will be uploading series of CBSE class 10 syllabus lessons under this playlist called NCERT AP CBSE English Simplified Unit Explanations for sure success in the examination. Similarly and likewise, we also upload every day. There will be a word with its image, parts of speech, pronunciation, example sentences, as well as synonyms and antonyms of the word for attempting well in the upcoming SSC examination, section B, titled Grammar and Vocabulary. So please do follow us and you will definitely succeed in the examination. So wish you all a very happy morning. Once again, keep learning and stay tuned for educationally enriching contents. Take care. Jai Hind.